The luxury market in India is really poised to take off. We've been seeing it grow continuously over a long period of time now, but I think with the per capita income crossing the threshold $2,000 mark, I think it's really poised for a takeoff. We are already seeing a very different behavior post-COVID. I think the segment of customers who buy luxury have not really been impacted as much. Therefore, their spends and share of wallet towards luxury has really gone up. And this premiumization of India, as we are seeing, is very, very visible. You can see it across all categories. In terms of trends, I think the other piece that the customer is today doing or behaving is that live for today. We don't know what tomorrow is like. So in a way, all your unfulfilled dreams, desires, whether it is to travel, whether it's to own that piece of jewelry or a brand, now is the time. Who has seen tomorrow?
Absolutely. Now is the time. I think that's what is coming after COVID, especially as well, where we are seeing the trend move towards premiumization as well. So in terms of a focus plan for Zoya as a company, then would it be something that we would be expecting more from Titan in terms of Zoya? The focus, given that you are also mentioning how consumers who are on the higher end have not been impacted, and that's why the trend is going on. So is that something that we could expect more from the company going forward as well? More such launches coming in?
Yeah, I'll just give a grounding in the numbers as well. I think the overall sense of the luxury market in India is around 7.5 to 8 billion. Within that, jewelry and watches, of course, is about a third. And that's slated to grow at about 20 to 30%, 25 to 30% in rupee terms. I don't know about the dollar terms. Now, given that reality and given the overall trend of premiumization that we're seeing, Zoya certainly has a much larger role to play than it perhaps has in the past. Zoya I would say it's a brand which is coming of age. There are not too many luxury brands in India which can boast of 100 crore plus turnover. And last year, Zoya did 240 crores. So we are certainly seeing how Zoya over the next few years can double itself in terms of turnover. So the focus on Zoya is certainly going up. And this is going up partly also by way of presence. We are currently 8 stores young. Until a few years ago, we had only 2 or 3 stores, and now we are 8. And we are in fact expecting to, go to about 14 or 15 stores by next Diwali.
Wedding season is coming up as well. Is that in strategy mind for you to launch it at such a time, festive season plus wedding season, and that in turn would help us improve our overall mix and given the started ratio and the trend that we are seeing going?
See, Zoya has not tried to target the wedding segment. People may buy a Zoya and they may wear it for an important occasion, maybe attending a reception, or some brides may also buy it for their reception. But our focus in Zoya has never been for wedding. It's been largely towards occasion wear and heavy occasion wear or light occasion wear. And perhaps people will buy it for weddings, perhaps people will buy it for festive, but I think the mood in Q3 and the second half of the year in general is more towards the luxury end. And therefore, we always launch it before Diwali.